Good morning. I'm Saul Reisman here at Saul's Autotek, and I'm standing in the parking lot today with a lineup of vehicles behind me. Now, if you're looking at the line of vehicles behind me, you might see one thing in common. They're all SUVs. They're all four-wheel drive SUVs. You might be wondering, how do we get such a consistent line of these cars? Well, we're trying to find the best way to support you, our guest. And we've realized that the tourism industry, which is the second largest industry in the state of Colorado, is a major benefactor to the auto repair industry. So we need to figure out how we can help those guests. In the case of these vehicles behind us, these 8 or 9 cars that we've got lined up are all motor vehicles that we store year-round, so that when an owner who lives out of state comes into town and they need the vehicle ready because they want to go to Vail and go skiing, they leave the vehicle with us year-round for a nominal fee. They call us a couple weeks ahead of time, we bring the vehicle in, we check it through service, we make sure it is perfect, we fill the tank, we fill the washer fluid, we change the oil, we wash the car, we deliver it out to the valet at the airport, so the moment you get here, keys are at the valet ready to go, you can take it, go hit the slopes, and when you get done, all you got to do is leave it right back in that valet and we'll take care of the rest. Well, this is a great concierge type service and we're proud to be able to offer it. It doesn't help everybody. We understand that the only people that can do that are those that are fairly wealthy and have a spare car they can leave here for the majority of the year, and that's not everybody. However, there's a large market of people who come to Denver and then drive up to Breckenridge, Vail, Aspen, Winter Park, Beaver Creek, Glenwood Springs, you name it. We now offer concierge service to these locations. If you're flying in and your motor vehicle is going to be used during that time period, we want to work with you so that we can prioritize your schedule. So if you've got a four-wheel drive vehicle that only gets used in the wintertime or only gets used for ski traffic, give us a call here at Saul's Autotek. We're more than happy to pick up or deliver your vehicle anywhere in the mountain communities, down to our location here in the Denver Tech Center, or even out to Centennial Airport or Denver International Airport. We want you to know that if you're out of town for the week, your vehicle could be getting serviced while you're gone. That way, you're not out any time frame. If you've got a vehicle that breaks down on the I-70 corridor, typically you're facing a 100-mile tow, a major tow expense, a night in a hotel room, who knows, to try and get back on the road. Well, at Saul's Autotek, we'll send a driver to come pick you up while you're waiting for that tow truck. They'll take you to the nearest rental facility to get you in a rental car, and we'll have our tow truck pick up your vehicle and bring it to the shop for service so that you and your family can carry on with your vacation. If you drove from another state, let's say it was Wisconsin, and you came here and the vehicle broke down while you're on your ski trip, we're going to take care of you, we're going to get it repaired, and we're going to make sure you have as little downtime as possible. We raise the bar in customer service, and we want to show you how. If you've got a vehicle that's out of state for service and you found a problem here, or if you're a frequent skier or traveler up to the mountains and you need a concierge to help work with you and work the logistics of your motor vehicle, give us a shout here at Saul's Autotek. We're here 365 days a year for your convenience. If you're in New York and you get that call, you saw the weather forecast, there's 20 inches of snow in Breck and you want to hit the slopes tomorrow, call us. We'll have the car ready. 303-919-7769. Can't wait to see you on the mountain.